Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Duckside error code 4. The error reads, "Server unavailable." As per our research, the error comes when players try to start the game. Some users have also shared that they are unable to join the same server because of this error. According to our research, this error is likely caused by connectivity issues or problems with game files. It may also be triggered by interference from antivirus or firewall settings. The first thing you should try is to restart the game. Simply close it completely and relaunch it to see if the error still comes. If restarting doesn't help, then verify the integrity of the game files and check if this resolves the error. If the error persists, delete the saved folder. To do so, go to this path: %userprofile %/appdata/local/duckside/. Then find the folder named saved and delete it. Then relaunch the game and check if the error is gone. If the issue still occurs, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software blocks the connection, resulting in the error, so try disabling it briefly and see if you can connect. Also make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or inconsistent network can trigger this error, so double-check your connection. If nothing else works, try connecting over a mobile hotspot. Some users have found that using a different network helps bypass the error. So give this a try and see if this also helps you. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.